This is Balram Kasnia, Arya College of Engineering and IT Caucus, Department of Electrical Engineering. Subject is electrical measurement and measuring instruments. And today's contents are permanent magnet, moving coil instruments, and second is electrodynamic instruments. Permanent magnet, moving coil instruments. Permanent magnet moving coil instruments because there is a permanent magnet, so it's called permanent magnet, and or as is permanent magnet, and soft iron core is moving coil, so it's called permanent magnet moving coil construction. It consists of permanent magnet which is stationary as on in figure. Moving system consists of a spindle attached to a rectangular aluminum frame. A coil made up of thin copper wire is wound over the frame. The current to be measured is passed through the coil. A soft iron core is placed in the space within the aluminum frame. Two spiral springs are mounted on the spindle to produce control torque as shown in figure. Control spring also serve as additional purpose and acts as a control leads. Pointer is mounted on spindle and mirror is provided below the scale to avoid the parallax errors. Next is construction. It consists of permanent magnet which is stationary. Moving system consists of spindle attached to the rectangle aluminum frame. A coil is made of thin copper wire is wound over the frame. The current to be measured is passed through the coil. Two spiral springs are mounted on the spindle to produce control torque. The control torque is also serve as additional purpose and acts as a control lead. Pointer is mounted on the spindle. Mirror is provided below the scale to avoid the parallax error. And the spindle is supported by the jeweled bearing as shown in figure. Working. The current is to be measured. The current is to be measured is passed through moving coil via control springs. A current carrying moving coil is now in a magnetic field. According to Fleming left hand rule, the torque is produced on the coil and the coil move pointer deflects. Damping torque is provided by the eddy current damping. Permanent magnet moving coil instruments. Error in PMMC instruments. Number one is weakening of the permanent magnet due to the aging and temperature effects. Number two, weakening of the spring due to aging and temperature effects. Number three, change of resistance of moving coil instrument with the time and temperature. And merits are uniform scale of the instruments, power consumption is very low. A single instrument can be used for different current and voltage ranges. The torque weight ratio is very high, gives higher accuracy and is a high sensitivity among other meters. And demerits are these instruments can be used only for DC supply. The cost of instrument is more than moving iron instruments. And next topic is electrodynamic instruments. Electrodynamic instruments are moving coil instruments, and operating field coil is produced in it by another fixed coil. These instruments are generally used as a voltmeter and can also be used as a ammeter and voltmeter. Electrodynamic instruments construction. Electrodynamic instrument consists of two fixed coil connected in series as shown in figure so that they carry same current. The moving coil system consists of coil mounted on the spindle which is free to rotate in the space between two fixed coil. The coil is made up of thin copper wire and air are cooled to avoid the hysteresis. Control spring provided by two spiral springs and they also act as a connecting leads for the moving coil. Pointer is mounted on the spindle. Mirror is provided to avoid the parallax error. Damping is provided by air friction damping. And here is the equivalent circuit of the electrodynamic instruments. There are two moving coils, L1 or L2 are connected, and I1 and I2 are there is current. And working current to be measured is passed through two stationary coil which are connected in series forms magnetic field. Current to be measured is also passed through the moving coil via control spring. Now current carrying moving coil is placed in magnetic field. According to Fleming left hand rule, force is experienced on the moving coil gives the deflection to the pointer. Torque is I1 current flowing through the fixed coil and I2 current flowing through the moving coil. As earlier I said, electrodynamic instruments merits. It can be used as AC as well DC, and it can be also used as ammeter, voltmeter, and wattmeter. It is also called as a dynamometer. Instruments demerits are low torque to weight ratio more expensive, weak magnetic field, scale is non-uniform. Electrodynamic instruments as voltmeter, ammeter, and wattmeter. When used as ammeter, the fixed coil are made up of thick conductor to carry the load current. But since it is not possible with moving coil, it is centered, connected in parallel with suitable resistor. When used as a voltmeter, coils are made of from less cross-section conductor to increase the instrument impedance. To increase the instrument impedance, a heavy resistor is connected in series with them. When used as a wattmeter, fixed coil are connected as current coil and moving coil as a pressure coil. Constructively, fixed coil are made up of thick copper wire and moving coil within thin conductors. These are applications of the electrodynamic instruments. In DC ammeter, we are connect the shunt resistance as shown in figure RS connect. सो इट्स वर्क प्रॉपरली. अगर अपने इलेक्ट्रोडायनेमिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट को अगर अपने एमीटर की तरह यूज़ करते हैं तो अपने को एक शंट रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है, जैसे फिगर में दिखाया गया RSH. नेक्स्ट इज DC वोल्ट मीटर. बेसिक DC वोल्ट मीटर सर्किट सोन इन फिगर. अगर अपने को वोल्ट मीटर की तरह बिहेव कराना है तो अपने एक सीरीज़ के अंदर उसके आर सीरीज रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट करते हैं. अगर मल्टी रेंज वोल्ट मीटर कनेक्ट करना है तो वोल्ट मीटर जैसे R1 R2 different resistors are connected in series and voltmeter sensitive S equal to 1 ohm and 1 ohm upon IV as shown in figure. Thank you.